So guys, this is just a quick one. So let's analyze the market. Let's analyze the market together. Okay, so welcome and watch this video up the end. So today's on Monday. The market is already open, and I want to just analyze the GBPUSD, gold, and DXY, the dollar index. Just want to see the overall direction of GBPUSD together with gold, and differentiate it with the DXY index. Okay, that's a dollar index. So let's dive into the charts. This GBPUSD, a 4-hour time frame. So I can go to a daily time frame. So let me go to a daily time frame. This is a daily time frame on GBPUSD. On a daily time frame, there's this thing that I had drawn here, this rectangular path that the market is following. Okay, so the market formed this higher high and came back and formed this higher low in respect of this trend line. Okay, this trend line that acts as a support trend line. Okay, so it went again up, formed a lower high, and came back again and formed a lower low, higher low. Okay, so the market is playing within this triangular structure. Okay, so let me go to a 4-hour time frame and see the clear picture of GBPUSD. Clear picture. I want to see the clear picture. As you can see, GBPUSD was in an uptrend move on a 4-hour time frame. It was moving on this channel. Okay, uptrending channel. This is a bullish pennant. The market formed a high high and a higher low, high low, high consolidation, then higher low, formed another high. So the market came back and broke this bullish trend line. Okay, this bullish trend line that acts as a support. Okay, so from here we can also draw our zone from this 4-hour. You can see from this one was this point acted as a supply zone and also acted as a resistance zone. Okay, so the market came back and tested this resistance zone multiple times, and by coming here it formed a support. This resistance zone turned to be our support. From at this point it turned and be our support, and from here we as you can see, we had two confluences. This support and this resistance act as a very good confluence to go on a long position up to here, catching about how many pips? Catching about 127 pips. This was a news event, I think. So currently the market is playing within this resistance zone, this support. Okay, that was eventually a resistance. So what I'm looking for here, I'm looking for this market to break this support. Of course, for me, I can say it from there. The market has already break this support. Okay, has already broke this support. Upon break of the support, what are we looking for? We are looking for a sell position when the market is in a downtrending move, and buying position when the market is moving up. Okay, so from here, what I will do, I will go down to a lower time frame and look for a retest opportunity. If this market has done something like this, then short up to here. This is like a long-term short, catching about how many pips are this? Catching about 316 pips. So I will go to a 1-hour time frame just for a confirmation. 1-hour time frame. As you can see, this is a 1 hour time frame. On a 1 hour, we can also draw our trend line from this point up here. Let me extend my. We can also draw our trend line. Okay, sorry. Can draw our trend line, guys, from this point. This is a valid trend line. That's a valid trend line. As you can see, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. We want to get an entry opportunity in this market right now. Okay, so I'm on a 15 minutes time frame. So this 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, you can see this market. You can see this market break this support, came back and retest. Upon retest, the market formed a consolidation. Was on a consolidation at this point. So this was a consolidation at this point. So this was a consolidation. As you can see, the market consolidated at this point and it breaks the consolidation state. Okay, so the market break this consolidation. It break the consolidation, come and retest that consolidation, that part. From here, I'm going for my short position. I'm looking for short position, stop loss from there, and catching these whole pips. So I'm going to go on to look on my left and see where I will take my profit. Eventually I take my profit, first profit from there. So that's a very good point to take your sell position. I'm going to enter this market right now. I'm just waiting for it to retest, to come back a little bit, and then I will enter for a sell positions. This will also be seen on Euro USD and at the same time gold. That I don't want this video to be long, but as you can see, we are on a sell position on all pairs that are correlating with the GBPUSD. As you can see, gold came to this point and at per now it's selling. We are on a sell position on gold. We are now selling. Gold is dropping also. DX, we are expecting it to be pushing up. So you can see it came and retested this point and now we are buying. So on GBPUSD, I'm looking for a sell positions. USD JPY buy. I'm looking for a sell position. So let me go on and put my sell position, guys. So this is about the trade. So let's meet into another video. I'm going to take this trade right now. I will show you the results at the end of this video. Okay, see you on the next video, guys. Okay, bye.